Courageous soul, next time you have an encounter with your demons, ask them what it is about you that has attracted them to you. You see, the enemy only attacks what is valuable or what is important. And we all have these experiences with different demons. I'll call them demons. It could be the demon of self-sabotage, of fear, of anxiety, low self-esteem, of self-doubt, of confusion. You see, we make the mistake of thinking that we attract izimpi because we are weak. Contrary to that, it is our light, it is our strength, it is our love, it is our kindness, it is our souls that just radiate. It is the healers in us, it is the passion in us, it is light, it is our mission, it is our purpose. The purpose of the enemy is to ensure that you abandon your soul mission. Ask yourself, Uguti, in the areas that I'm being attacked in, those demons that are persistent, what is it that they are trying to stop me from achieving or from getting to? Maybe change what you say. Maybe change that God remove enemies from my life or attacks or challenges. But kube umkhuleko wokuthi empower me in such a way that I will understand who I am, who I walk with, what my mission is. It is a distraction that is meant to stop you from getting to those places that you need to get to because of the work umsebenzi ofanele uwenze in those areas or in that level. It is a mission to stop you from elevating, from growing. So next time, ask yourself, ukuthi yini ngami that would make these voices, these demons, these spirits zingihlasele, and respond accordingly. May God's grace and God's favor continue to locate us. May it elevate us to where we are supposed to be, to where we belong. And may we just continue courageously to face everything that we need to face in order for God's dream, ngempilo zethu, to come into life, to come true. Because God's dream for us is of light, is of love, is of elevation. So next time, ask, yini le important kangaka ngami that it would attract attacks and izimpi. Love and light and God's abundance to you, God's favor to your life.